This is the way they ran the OSB on this house. They stopped it, let's see, 4 inches back from the edge of the roof where it's supposed to be. 4 inches. I don't know why they did that. And you can tell they did it all the way down there because you can see it. Except for down there. Yeah, it went right back there, but this 4 inches back, which is what I expect on a daggum double wide. See this right there. You only had one turbine vent in this whole roof. The turbine was locked up and wasn't working. I am gonna remove the turbine and we're gonna put these, what they call 750 slant back vents. We're gonna put 3 on each side, and that's gonna give you way more ventilation than what you had. So, I mean, they cost a little bit more, but for the price, it's well worth putting them in. So we did it. The type of caulking that we're using is called a Lexel. It's clear. It's not silicone. I don't like silicone. Lexell, Lexel. It's awesome stuff. Buy it at Home Depot, Lowe's, online, wherever you want. First thing you want to do before you install that is obviously have your hole proper and then caulk the bottom side. Yeah, broken. It's broke. It's no good. Oh, it's been caulked. Somebody taped it. Yeah, throw that in the trash. Trash it. There you go, buddy. It won't fail you that way. Nice. That vent will never leak. Never. That's beautiful. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. That's a good job right there. Good job. No leak. Maybe leak over there, maybe leak over there, but it ain't gonna leak there. No leak there. Guaranteed, guys, guaranteed. We ain't messing. Ice and water, peel and stick. There's so many different brands and names and whatever. Call it what you want to. I'll just call it some peel and stick. It's a good idea to use it around your ventilation pipes because they tend to leak. Hey, boss man, how you doing, buddy? It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day.